of Renren Ritualo on the bottom left Gold Pals. Ang laki ng pinawi dito. Sabihan natin, 8th place last year. 4th in 2006. Was a runner-up in 2003, 2004, and 2005. Finally getting it here in Bacolod City.
Who would have guessed that? Ito si Renren Ritualo, the quality of a three-point shooter that he is. Dito niya palang, first time niya palang makakabit etong three-point king.
Ayun na nga.
But it was a really close match. Remember, yung last two balls, it all came down to the final two balls, and that's where our three-point king was decided.
Very close nga po itong ating score doon sa final round. 19 for Renren, 18 for Dondon, 17 for Rigo. Isang bola lang talaga pagitan no? For these three gentlemen as you take a look. As Renren Ritualo receiving his black, and of course the cash prize of 20,000 pesos. So, dalawa na silang ni Willie Miller na hahantingin natin mamaya.